There is some wild news that came out today, guys. And personally, I look at this as being super bullish. I think this is going to make people feel a little bit more confident in the investing circles. That includes not only cryptocurrency, but also stocks moving forward. Hopefully, the information that is being presented is accurate. It sounds like there is, from one of these big resources, they are known to be quite credible, and for them to make these accusations, it's a big statement. So, what are we talking about here? All right. Well, let's go ahead and talk about it now. Breaking news: Gary Gensler has been charged with market manipulation. Coinbase provides evidence of Gary Gensler placing over $2.5 million in Bitcoin shorts just 48 hours ago. Within the last 2 days. Think about that. After this news was also coming out about going after Binance, everything, we're seeing the crypto market's not looking so hot, right? Lo and behold, here's accusations saying $2.5 million in shorts. He's banking on this going down, according to Coinbase. Okay, as a matter of fact, this is not the first time that Mr. Gary Gensler has been accused for manipulating the markets with inside information. Back in August 2022, multiple reports show similar instances where he took part in market manipulation, which begs the question of why hasn't this been brought to light in the past? And they provide an article link here with some more details. I'll go ahead and include that link down in the description below for you guys. So yeah, that is absolutely wild. Think about that. The head of the SEC, Gary Gensler, who pretty much everyone at this point, from a general standing consensus point, think he is doing an absolutely terrible job. He's not going after the dark pools. The hedge funds are getting away with all kinds of stuff. The payment for order flow. Like the SEC, the whole point is they're supposed to be there to protect the little guy. But instead, what's been going on has been very heavily favored in support of the hedge funds. Widespread market manipulation running rampant. I mean, the amount of money that we're talking about that's at play here is catastrophic. And maybe that's why he's been allowing certain things to slide. Because if you actually decided to follow through with prosecuting these people and making them pay up what they owe, they wouldn't be able to do it. And an attempt to try and do it would just cause the whole entire the whole stock market to crash, and it would be like on anything we've ever seen before in the financial industry space. Certain things would more than likely pop really hard and go up, but then a lot of these other major things would essentially go belly up. And we're talking about big mainstream name companies and things. So it's a very complicated matter. It's absolutely wild. But there's a change.org petition to get rid of Gary Gensler. I'm pretty sure there was one in the past. This is probably a newer one. It's getting a lot of attention. I went ahead and cast my vote on it as well. Anyways, so let's see how that plays out. And if that's true, this guy, if he gets out of there, maybe we can get someone else in, finally get some change that will be for the little people. Looking at the general crypto market, we can see Bitcoin is up 1.05%, Ethereum is up 1.15%, BNB up 1.71%, XRP up 1.83%. So you get the idea, right? Majority of cryptos are slightly up on the day, which is nice little refreshing moment. And if we move over to the trading charts for Bitcoin, whoops, did not mean to do that. We can actually see over here that Bitcoin did pass above our key level of support on the day, but it has retracted back down, currently sitting as of the time of recording slightly below. So it does need to push a little bit harder there. It's okay if it does close out on the day below this. It would be 2 instances. Ideally, you want 3 or more. And as it is with this news coming out, hopefully people feel a little bit more relaxed. And there's been a lot of sell pressure that's come out recently. So if that sell pressure has essentially gotten it out of its system, then I think there's a much better chance that we could see activity that comes in the near future being primarily on the buy side. I'm still concerned about the convergence here between the 50 and the 50 moving average and the 200 moving average, because they are on that trajectory still. But let's see how things play out. SafeMoon over on the Binance Smart Chain side up 1.29%, $15,000 in buy volume, $22,000 in sell volume. SafeMoon over on Polygon is green on the day, up 2.21%, $999 in buy volume. SafeMoon on Ethereum also up 0.68%, $1,400 in buy volume. There was some good news that came out for SafeMoon earlier. I have another video already up. If you guys haven't checked that out yet, feel free to go take a look over there. Has to do with a new blockchain that was added in, or going to be added in. Evergrow Coin is up on the day, up 1.21%, $390 in buy volume, $193 in sell volume. Blockbuster Tech is up 8.15%, $5,900 in buy volume versus $1,000 in sell volume. Beefy up 1.14%, $522 in buy volume versus $580 in sell volume. BNB Mirror Protocol up 8.15%, $2,600 buy volume, $282 sell volume. Bitcoin Mirror Protocol up 0.85%, $321 on buy volume, $79 in sell volume. Crogecoin, no trading for the last 2 days actually. Crift, we see a little bit of a drop here. It shows the candle is somehow up 0.02%. There's 2 transactions, $2 worth. Both of them were for sells. Glow is up 0.95%, $7 in buy volume, $6 in sell volume, so very, very low there. Grove token, it is up 5.93%, $5,200 in buy volume versus $4,200 in sell volume. HOD is down 4.38%, $447 on buy, $1,200 on the sell side. Live Crypto Party is not really doing anything right now, hasn't traded since June 4th. Liquidity is down to $6,400. It's quite low. Potherium has 1 transaction. It was a sell for $4. Revoltants, its candle is up 1.12%, but the buy volume was only $18 compared to $115 in sell volume. And for Pepe, this is down, although no trading activity for June 8th. We see that there's 1 transaction that's being reported here, but not for June 8th. And that was a sell for $1,800. And then JP token actually showing a little bit of green for a change. Look at that. It is up 2.73%, $38 in buy volume versus $111 in sell volume. And there you go. There's the latest price updates for you, as well as that news in regards to a suit charging against Gary Gensler $2.5 million in Bitcoin shorts. I don't know what I was trying to say there. In Bitcoin shorts. And that is just in Bitcoin. If this is true, what other things has he been shorting? I saw what looked to be like suggestions with AMC and GameStop, and I'm not surprised there if that is true. But these things need to go through their legal process. What do you guys think about this news? Tell us your thoughts down in the comments below. If you want to learn how to pay for your real world bills using crypto, feel free to check out Spritz Finance. Video is down in the description below. Thank you guys so much. Appreciate my Patreon supporters. Double shout out thank you to WeLoveSafeMoon.com, Victor Vegas, SafeMoon Oz for being higher level patrons. And thank you to my YouTube members for your support as well. Don't forget to hit subscribe, hit the thumbs up like button. God bless, and we'll see you in the next episode.